What's going on, everyone? Skull Explosion here, and welcome to a reaction video. This video we are reacting to is called Sound Response Check. I almost said sounds. I don't know what that is. That even a real word, by the way? No! I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. Whatever. This video was uploaded by Fazbear Hub. Fazbear Hub, I guess. Never seen this channel before, or well, first time. I shouldn't never say never. I don't know, but first time seeing their channel and this video. I also put the link of their video into the description box below. I'm guessing what is it? Probably this year they're starting their YouTube channel out because they only got 35 subscribers. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. But if they are, then shoot, I don't know. What I can say is for you guys to actually go on ahead, hit the subscribe button for them, hit the like button for them. You guys already see that we're starting the video out like this. So yeah. Also, leave a like to this video. Subscribe for more videos if you guys want to see more from this channel, and only this one. Turn on the bell and share with your friends, by the way. But without further ado, let's get started. And also, actually comment Chica. Chica the chicken. That's coming from me. But let's just get started anyways. Alright. I'm guessing this is, what, like an FNAF 2 version? I'm gonna wait. If Chica responds correctly, she should be looking left.
What?
My left. Or our left, really. She should be looking right. Now, another thing. There's like different types of sound response check. Like, it's always been like Chica. Like, I'm pretty sure you get, maybe not the new people, but the people that have subbed to me before. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen Chica. I think it was the ugly version of Chica, not the junior version. I don't know what it was, but it's like, it was that one. I think I reacted like 2, 3, and this is probably like my 4th time seeing this. But I bet there's gonna be like jump scares, and they're different. It didn't count down. It was stuck at 3. She should see what I mean. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, 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 now. Oh, it's just music, bro. This music makes me feel better. I already know what's about to happen. It makes me think about birds. Literally the same thing that I've watched before. But the thing is, it's not going to show the little girl talking about birds and snow and bad dreams and stuff. Look, come on. I know the jump scare is coming. If not, then I don't know. No? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let me go back and read that. I don't know what that was. Hold on. I might have to, like... It says something. It said, "Oh, it's just repeating the words. He murdered me." Well, this video was a bust. I thought it was gonna be scary, but I guess not. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Okay, like seriously, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please, again, subscribe for more videos just like this. Leave a like button on this channel, and again, like I said, comment down below Chica the chicken, and share this with your friends. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen. Fire!